What's up, guys? Today I'm here reviewing another multi-tool, which is the Leatherman Sidekick. So let's get into it. This costed me about $60 and is made of stainless steel and isn't that pocket size compared to the Gerber dime. So this is equipped with 14 tools, including 2 knives, a saw, pliers, screwdrivers, bottle and can openers, a file, a saw, and a ruler. This has on the other side a nice Leatherman pocket clip. On the left side there's going to be one knife, nice, I'd say maybe 2 inches, a 2-inch knife. There is a lock, so in order to put this down, this isn't going to bend on you if you're trying to stab it or anything. So you're going to press that button and then fold. Same thing goes with this saw over here. Press the button and fold. Nice, very sharp saw. Can be used for many different things. It's very sharp. Okay, moving on to the inside. So you can clip it onto your pocket. And let's see what's inside. Pliers and wire cutters. There's, as you can see closely, pliers and wire cutters. Very nice. You can clip it on your pocket like this. And my favorite part is gonna be the spring-loaded pliers. I can just sit on a table or chair for hours just clipping this. It's so nice. I just love this. You hear that? All right, now let's see. Then it's gonna be on the outside of the pliers. So in order to get that out, you're gonna have to, there's a little indent there, you're gonna have to put your finger, you're gonna have to scoop it out. There are a couple tools here. Serrated blade, nice, say 1.5 inches. And then there's gonna be a ruler and filer and a screwdriver, looks like a flathead screwdriver. Then there's gonna be a bottle opener and some sort of pick. Then there's, let's move on to the other side. Then there's gonna be, or if you want, you can push it out from the back, from the reverse side. Push like right there, but that you can push right there. Then it'll coming out a little bit, then you gotta use the rest to pick. This is gonna be a flathead and regular Phillips screwdriver. And you can use them for different things if you want to. But yeah, that's for the tools. And I'm not sure what the exact purpose of all of these tools are, because there's 14 of them, like I said earlier, and it's just a lot to remember when you're trying to tell people. So let's go ahead and fold it up. Fold it back up. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you like it. And leave a comment down below what multi-tool or item I should do next.